If you've ever had to feel your way around a room in the dark, you probably use familiar objects to guide the way, and in the brain, this task is more complicated than it seems. How do you know you're touching a light switch without being able to see it? The answer is in your brain's ability to create mental pictures and make a connection between the feeling of an object and how it looks. According to Inverse, this kind of intelligence was only observed in apes and dolphins, until now. A study from Queen Mary University of London found that bumblebees can also remember objects they see or touch. The experiment gave bumblebees objects of different shapes, a cube and a sphere, with some containing something bumblebees like, sugar water. Bees who had touched these objects in the dark could recognize them on sight, and bees who only saw the objects through a window could recognize them by touch alone. Researchers aren't sure exactly how bumblebees use this power, but it's a big new piece in the puzzle of whether or not bees have consciousness. The study was published in the journal Science.